Our job as parents is to embarrass the hell out of her. Happen.
Staying warm. Their outdoor wood boiler. Well, with everything going on right now, now is the time we have to paint the bus. It's fall, it's September. If we don't get this done now, it's not gonna be done for winter. So that's what she's looking like now. We got the back cut, it opens and closes. Pretty slick, check that out. The roof raised done, need some paint. Let's see what we can do here. We push these buttons. Look at that, man! So I bought a pack of 6 rolls of this blue tape, 2-inch. Burning through it, but let's see how much we need. We used almost a little over a roll for all the main windows. There it is, 22 of those windows done in 2.5 hours. I can deal with that. Okay, well I found a system to crank out these windows. It's pretty slick. What I'm doing, I have my little table here. I roll this paper thin. I'm just rolling it out, marking 23 inches, and then marking up 24 inches. Using a straight edge pencil, and I just zoop, shoop, the scissors, piece of cake, and then I'm about 5 minutes a window, making them and putting them on. And that's going as fast as I could go, because I'm curious how fast I can actually do this, so not too bad. Better than I actually thought it was going to be. Okay, so that's 7 hours of taping, and we're getting somewhere. We're about ready. I have a guy on here for some comical entertainment for the neighborhood. So I have to do the top, keep all the paint off the white. Get the back on there. It's whew, a lot of work. Like I said, 7 hours non-stop taping just to get to that point. It looks great though. Okay, so I scraped the logo off there, and all of a sudden these wasps came out. They're not too happy, so I'm gonna have to contend with them today. I'm guessing there must be a nest right inside there. Wonderful. I'm glad I was down here when it happened and not standing on the hood. Wasn't too bad, but boy, they're all fired up now. That's what's left of their little home. They know something's going on. They're mad. Hey, stay there a minute. How'd you went right up like it was nothing. Wow. Hey bud, turn around. So the bus is almost ready. We are about to paint. Weather's holding up. So far so good. Getting it all taped off. Man. 18 hours to get to that point. Sanded, taped. It's pretty much ready to be washed and painted. Well, dusted and painted. Okay, now we're at about 22 hours and it's pretty much ready to go. The bus is as clean as it's gonna get. It's sanded, it is taped. We had half the stuff blow off the roof. We're ready to start priming. The skies are like perfectly not sunny, so it shouldn't rain, but it should be not too hot and just about right. So we hit all the metal areas with metal prep, and hopefully that doesn't mess up and come through on paint. It is galvanized steel. We shouldn't have needed to prep the metal, however, it has been sitting outside for quite some time uncovered. So I wanted to prep it to make sure everything was going to adhere to it. Well, there she is in primer in all her glory. Did all the little tiny things that kind of matter when you're doing something like this. The inside of the wells, just so you don't see yellow anywhere as you're driving around. Even up in here, I sprayed a little bit. It's not totally coated, but it takes away that holy yellow shine when you know, open the door to campground somewhere, anywhere. It's not like a giant reflector that, hey, this was a school bus at one point. Kind of a nice little simple touch to just paint the insides of stuff. It's ready now to start shooting some color here. So let's get the black going on the lines. Now, what do we have for this? Now, check out this stuff here. This is what we have. And this is tractor paint. It's pretty cheap stuff as far as paint goes. It's not cheap, but it's good stuff. I did get hardener. That's, I think, the key is to get hardener because it'll make a nice shiny finish when it's done. It'll be extra hard and a little more durable. It'll cure a little quicker too. So that's the key with this, at least for the stripes on the side. It's going to be black. And again, for what you're getting, I think the price is right for this stuff. So I would recommend it so far. Wow, look at that. That is just the blackest of black. Wow, what a shine. Look at this. Stepped in to tape some lines up. Yeah. Gotta get them perfect, though, Merle. Got them perfect. First thoughts? Wow, what a color. Well, that's it. I don't know what you can see in the light or what it's showing here, but that is a beautiful color. Almost silvery. Okay, well, there she is in most of her glory. That is one beautiful metallic gray. Almost silvery looking in person. Absolutely awesome. I can't wait to peel. I got one more coat to put on, and we get to peel all this off and unwrap it, clear coat it. This thing is gonna just rock. That thing is shining. That's 2 coats right there. Can't wait to clear coat it and peel that stuff off. It's just woo. Okay, so here's the start of the unveil. The first bit of unwrapping. This thing looks absolutely incredible. Dark gray metallic.
Are we ready? Okay, you hold it here. Are you ready, Dad?
Yeah. Let's see what it looks like.
Great, here we go.
Oh man.
Here we go.
Don't touch the bus.
Don't touch the bus, kiddo.
Wow. This thing just looks magnificent. Wow. And there it is. Wow. Wow, we still have a couple more pieces to take off. Oh man. Unbelievable. Okay, so this is what 6 rolls of tape looks like. Oh man. And that's it.
How many rolls of tape, Fry?
5 layers.
6 rolls.
Okay, well, it's day I don't even remember, and probably hour like 40 something. Good God. Clear coat time. So we have a bunch of coats of clear coat to shoot. As soon as I can get the dew to evaporate off of it, make sure it's dry and clean, it's ready to go. This thing's gonna pop. It's looking a little more gray and a little less silver right now, which is kind of nice. It's kind of perfect. So this is what we're using for clear coat. And this thing is going to be one shiny bus. So there's the clear coat. You can see some like stringy stuff in there after stirring this whole thing up. So we're going to strain it really good. Make sure to use these things. Every time you're going through paint, always be filtering it out. Okay, well there it is with 2 coats of clear on it, and it is shining. It is looking amazing. I'd say that's the perfect color for this thing. That's my opinion. Let me know in the comments what you think. Probably should have been purple or something. Green. I love it. Very nice. Classy enough to blend in just about anywhere you're gonna go. Not really offensive to anybody, so that many less Karens calling on you. I'm sure there'll be plenty of them anyway. And at least it looks like a nice, classy, fancy-ish bus when the cops get there, harassing you. You know, kind of an image we're going for is the one to not look like a bunch of retards out there. We don't want to draw undue attention to ourselves. It's just going to result in problems. So try to blend in and look as nice as possible. So this is what it's like in the bus with the paper on the windows. Kind of cool because that's all you can see on a nice bright shiny day. Let's see that. Kind of cool little blue. There she is, all done. Look at her with all the lights on. Beautiful, absolutely stunning. Came out incredible. Now I can't wait to go driving it around. We have to get our name put on the front. Stick around so you can see what we named this thing. She came out incredible. God, can't even tell we cut the back of this. Wow.